The Hawaii State Division of Forestry and the United States Forest Service created this tree growth research area in the 1950s to see how best to grow pine trees for sawmill timber. And although there is no more logging in this forest, there are signs posted that demand that all dogs must be leashed. This video will show you why. Our canine friends are a true menace to the very trees that give us the oxygen we need to survive. They have voracious appetites for wood. As they rampage about the forest, some breeds even climb trees, ostensibly to munch on native forest birds. They steal valuable sticks from beavers, fell entire trees, and destroy them one by one, like this beast, who, as you can see, is barking up a different tree. Please, Maui citizens, by all means, we implore you, keep your vicious tree-destroying, forest-killing canines leashed and restrained at all times. If these beasts are allowed free rein in our forests, soon there will be nothing left. Even though it was pretty wet out there on New Year's Eve, the rain stopped long enough around midnight for Maui residents to ring in 2008 with style. Here's how the aerial bombardment looked and sounded from 3,000 feet up the slopes of Haleakala.
That's why they have milk, because if you milk 70-some cows a day.
Now when you get really good at milking, it's a lot of fun because you can squirt your friends. We hardly ever do much hand milking around here. We have this wonderful machinery here to help us with that. Hand milking is very time consuming, and it really does get you right back here and in your forearms and in your hand. Hand milking, these 12 girls you were thinking